Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix cryptocurrency market analysis with Glassnode, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Glassnode homepage. Once there, create an account if you don't already have one. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as it provides an overview of key metrics. Next, locate the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the On-Chain section to access a variety of analysis tools. Use the search bar to find specific cryptocurrencies you want to analyze. Select the desired cryptocurrency from the suggestions provided. After the selection, explore various metrics such as active addresses, network health, and exchange flows. To enhance your analysis, filter the data by selecting different time frames. Monitor changes and indicators over various periods to identify trends. Utilize the charts feature to visualize your findings for better understanding. Compare multiple cryptocurrencies by using the comparison tool. Analyze the historical performance of specific metrics to determine their relevance. As you gather data, take notes on significant trends and patterns. Consider exporting relevant charts and data for presentations or reports. Constantly revisit Glassnode as the cryptocurrency market is highly dynamic. Stay updated on new features or metrics Glassnode introduces over time. Engage with user community forums for insights and additional tips. Finally, integrate your findings from Glassnode into your broader market analysis strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel